Hello everyone, so I am back with another video about the top 5 best drone for real estate you can buy on Amazon. Subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon will give you access to more interesting videos. The following list is based on my personal opinion and research, and is ranked based on quality features and pricing. Check out the links in the description below for updated pricing and more information on the products mentioned. Have you ever wondered how top real estate professionals capture those breathtaking aerial shots that make properties stand out? In today's competitive market, having the right drone can transform your listings and captivate potential buyers. In this video, we'll unveil the top 5 drones perfect for real estate photography, ensuring your properties are showcased in the best light. Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to elevate your real estate visuals, make sure to check out the product links in the description below. Let's dive in and find the perfect drone for your needs. A video guide has been prepared to help you choose the top 5 best drone for real estate. Let's begin. On number 5 is DJI Mavic 3. Elevate your real estate photography with the DJI Mavic 3, a game changer in aerial imaging. Its CMOS Hasselblad camera captures stunning 20-megapixel photos and 5.1K videos, ensuring every property is showcased with unparalleled clarity and detail. With an impressive 46-minute flight time, you can cover expansive estates without frequent battery changes. The omnidirectional obstacle sensing enhances safety, allowing you to navigate complex environments confidently. Priced at $1,949, the Mavic 3 is an investment that delivers professional-grade results, making it an indispensable tool for real estate professionals aiming to captivate potential buyers. On number 4 is Autel Robotics EVO Lite+Premium Bundle. Imagine capturing stunning 6K aerial footage with ease. The Autel Robotics EVO Lite+Premium Bundle makes this a reality. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor and adjustable aperture from f2.8 to f11, it offers exceptional image quality, even in challenging lighting conditions. Its impressive 40-minute flight time surpasses many competitors, allowing for extended shoots without frequent recharging. The drone's 12 km video transmission range ensures reliable connectivity for expansive real estate projects. While it features obstacle sensing in 3 directions, the absence of side sensors requires cautious lateral movements. Overall, the EVO Lite+ stands out as a top choice for real estate professionals seeking high-quality aerial imagery. On number 3 is Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal 4K GPS. Imagine capturing breathtaking 4K aerial shots with a drone that fits in your pocket. The Potensic Atom offers this with its lightweight design, weighing under 249 g, eliminating the need for FAA registration. Its 3-axis gimbal and Sony CMOS sensor ensure ultra-stable, high-quality footage, even in windy conditions. With a 32-minute flight time and a 6 km transmission range, it's perfect for extended real estate shoots. Features like visual tracking and quick shots provide creative shooting options, enhancing property showcases. While it lacks obstacle avoidance, its affordability and performance make it a top contender among the best drones for real estate. On number 2 is Parrot PF728000 ANAFI. Imagine capturing stunning 4K HDR aerial footage with a drone that unfolds in just 3 seconds. The Parrot ANAFI, weighing a mere 320 g, offers this portability, making it a strong contender among the top drones for real estate photography. Its 21MP camera, equipped with a 180-degree tilt gimbal, allows for unique upward shots, enhancing property showcases. The 2.8x lossless digital zoom brings distant details into clear view. With a flight time of up to 25 minutes, the ANAFI ensures ample coverage for expansive estates. However, it lacks obstacle avoidance sensors, requiring careful navigation. Priced competitively, the Parrot ANAFI combines high-quality imaging with portability, making it a valuable tool for real estate professionals seeking dynamic aerial perspectives. Now moving to the last one is DJI Mini 2 SE. Imagine capturing breathtaking aerial shots without the hassle of cumbersome equipment. Enter the DJI Mini 2 SE, a marvel in the world of drones. Weighing under 249 grams, this compact powerhouse doesn't require FAA registration for recreational use, making it a favorite among real estate photographers seeking agility and ease. With an impressive 31-minute flight time, you have ample opportunity to showcase properties in stunning detail. The 2.7K camera, stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal, ensures crisp and smooth footage, essential for highlighting real estate features. Equipped with OcuSync 2.0, it offers a robust 10 km video transmission range, allowing expansive property overviews. However, it's worth noting the absence of obstacle avoidance sensors, which necessitates careful navigation, especially in complex environments. Priced at approximately $279, the DJI Mini 2 SE stands out as an affordable yet capable option in the realm of real estate drones. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best drone for real estate. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, tell us in the comment section about which one you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.